The Sensex and Nifty benchmark indices rose 9% each in July as investors moved past concerns of inflation amid resilient corporate earnings and supportive global cues. The respite followed a recovery in the US, where the frontline Dow Jones, S&P 500 and Nasdaq indices advanced 7 to 12% in July, registering their biggest monthly gains since 2020. V.K. Vijay Kumar, Chief Investment Strategist at Geojit Financial Services, attributes the rebound back home to foreign investors, which turned net buyers last month after 9 months of relentless selling. FIIs bought around 5,000 crore rupees of shares in July in a sharp divergence from net outflows of 50,000 crore rupees in June. Further aiding the sentiment has been the consistent fall in crude oil prices, which are now 16% down to around $103 a barrel from the year's high of $123 a barrel. This, as per analysts, could be a key trigger for recovery in global as well as domestic markets. G. Chokalingam, founder and chief investment officer at Economics Research, says US Fed balance sheet reduction plan and oil price would remain the key risk factors in the short term. We believe that the domestic markets may rise further for a couple of weeks amid volatility and intermittent corrections. Moreover, the recent contraction in US GDP for the second straight quarter has heightened fears of a recession in the developed markets. G. Chokalingam believes that India would be a major gainer of any possible mild recession across the world, as oil prices can fall steeper in such a possible scenario, thus arresting rising inflation. That said, technical charts also indicate near-term bullishness for the markets.
Both the benchmark indices, BSE Sensex and Nifty 50, have scaled 200 days moving average and hinting at a fresh upside. For Sensex, 200 days moving average comes to 57,135, and for Nifty it is at 17,020 levels. Earlier in April this year, both indices did show positive momentum about 200 DMA. However, they failed to show sustainability, due to which they hit fresh 52 weeks lows. Now when both the indices have scaled the sentimental mark of 57,000 and 17,000 on Nifty, a move about 200 days moving average is signaling at fresh all-time highs. For Sensex it would be 62,000 and for Nifty it would be 19,000 levels.
Today, Adani Green, Bank of India, Deepak Nitrite, Godrej Properties, Siemens, Lemon Tree and Voltas will be on investors' radar ahead of their June quarter results. The street will also react to the earnings of Zomato, ITC and UPL.
If you like this video, share it and subscribe to Business Standard. For more news, views and insights, log on to www.business-standard.com. Do also follow us on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram and LinkedIn.
तुम इतना डर गए?
अब क्या किया?
शेयर्स में ट्रेडिंग।
तुम्हें 5 पैसा नहीं पता?
ओए, अब तो सबको पता है। 5 पैसा पर मिलते हैं रिसर्च टूल्स, पोर्टफोलियो एनालिटिक्स और इन्वेस्टमेंट आइडियाज भी। डाउनलोड 5 पैसा नाउ।
अब तो सबको पता है, investing made easy and rewarding with 5 paisa. Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.